If you're struggling to monitor and understand complex information in various databases, documents, and spreadsheets, Praxie can help with a complete suite of out-of-the-box software tools for AI analysis and operations monitoring, easily tailored to your exact needs. Making complex processes easy through our 𝐼𝒂𝒂 platform. Processes like demand planning, production scheduling, pricing optimization, constraint analysis, variance analysis, and more. Praxie can ingest large amounts of unstructured documents like value stream maps or design docs and deliver valuable summaries as well as analysis and suggestions, or documents such as resumes and RFPs, and then define which best match desired criteria. Praxie also provides AI-powered analytical solutions that can ingest data from various sources, define analytical goals and answer questions, clarify root causes and analyze impact, suggest solutions, simulate return on investment for each solution project, monitor data and automate improvements. Praxie solutions can be delivered in days, are easy to use, and provide rapid ROI to our customers. Schedule a demo today and see Praxie's AI-powered analytical solutions in action.